Just blown away. We get some chilli on there. Mmm. So it's a bit humid inside. It's a horrid of a day, but it's a bit warm in that kitchen. So here's my kitchen today. Right, so we're going to be doing a vegetable Thai curry. It's a very, very nice vegetable Thai curry. First things first is chop up the vegetables. So I've just got some spring onion. I'll chop that up quite large. I've got some garlic. Oops. Just peel the garlic. Slice down that garlic. Yep. Okay, so here's the vegetables for my vegetable curry. A friend of mine gave me some of his spinach and coriander from his garden. And we all know how hard it is to grow coriander, so this is superb quality. Amazing, amazing quality. So all I've done there is just wash the spinach, remove the big stems, do the same with the coriander, and we're going to add that to the curry later. With the vegetables, I've blanched, meaning I've half cooked the root vegetables, so just the potatoes and the kumara and the carrots. The broccoli, I've left the stem on as well. So I peel the stem, but I include the stem. And now garlic and spring onion in there as well. So now let's marinate the, also if you half cook the vegetables, they will soak up some of the marinade, or more than marinade. So I've got a paste here that includes coriander, fish sauce, and a variety of other ingredients. So give those vegetables a bit of a stir through the marinade. We're going to go in there with some vegetable oil, and we're going to add all of those vegetables in the pan. Right, so once you've added the vegetables to the pan, you can go in there with the rest of your ingredients. So I'm going to go in there with some chilli. Going to go in there with some soy sauce. This is a reduced soy sauce, but you could use a regular soy sauce. Some vegetable stock powder. Recipes will be in the description as always. I'm going to go in there with some mirin. So mirin is like like a sugar syrup with vinegar, and people quite often use it for sushi. They put it on the rice once it's cooked for sushi. Now, of course, you could use any vegetables for this one. Now I'm going to go in there with coconut milk. So 1 tin of coconut milk. I'm going to put a little bit of salt, a little bit of pepper, some lemon juice, stir it a little bit. Now don't worry if the vegetables are sitting above the liquid, they want to. That's why I've used such the certain size pan. So the vegetables want to be cooking in a little bit of juice, and also sitting above the juice as well, so they're almost steaming and poaching. I'm going to pop a lid over the top of that, and we'll leave that cooking until tender. I'm going to leave that for about 10 to 15 minutes. My al fresco kitchen today, al fresco. Because it's been quite a humid day. It's been unusually humid inside. So anyway, my vegetables are cooked and tender. I just cooled them down a little bit just to soak up a little bit of the juice. We're going to bring those back up to a simmer, and then I'm going to add my spinach. So now we're going to add the spinach. We just add all that spinach and coriander. Ew. Will it fit? Will it fit? It will once you get the lid on. We'll season in a minute. That will just take a moment just to heat up, and that will just wilt those beautiful leaves into the curry. Okay. Okay, so this is ready. Wow. That's really good. And so this is our vegetable Thai green curry. Now, I would always go with a bit of reduced soy. And a little bit of dry chilli, just to finish off the dish. It's blown away.